First you should introduce me, no? What do astronomers do? Well, I think it depends a lot on the astronomer. Some astronomers actually take the time to look at the sky and think about what the stars are there for, or how they got there, or how the galaxies got there. Some astronomers actually, well, think of those questions, and then I think also some astronomers who don't think so much on those philosophical issues, and they do more studies of simulations on the computer. They make money like everybody. It's a job for most. I am studying very young stars. So clusters of very young stars. Stars is very early on, right after they've been born inside the cloud, because stars are born from clouds of gas, molecular gas, like hydrogen and so on. And I study these stars when they're very young. I look at them in heat because they're so embedded, so inside these clouds that you can't see them with light, just visible. So you have to look at the infrared, where the temperature is. And so I'm trying to understand how these clusters, how these groups of stars form, evolve and die. So I've gone maybe 12 times now to the telescopes, and I really enjoy it. I feel that that's where the heart of astronomy is, or part of the heart of astronomy, of course, not only. I was just there last week, but I think, well, I know most astronomers do not go to the telescopes anymore. And I have to add that even at the telescope, it's possible to not look at the stars, because telescopes nowadays are in front of the computer. You sit in front of the computer and you press keys and it takes a photograph, and you can be at the telescope weeks without needing to look up at the night sky. Early on in high school, I got very passionate about physics, about understanding more about the world, about people such as Galileo and Einstein, who were passionate about their research, and at the same time the kind of research that brought science to the people and didn't just keep the science in some closet or some papers. It impacted the people, and I got very passionate, and I wanted to see what it was like to do cutting-edge research. And so here I am doing cutting-edge research. Yeah, I always have free time. Yes, there's always free time. On my free time, I like to do rock climbing, yoga, massage. I like to hang out with my friends mainly. All these things that I like to do them, especially when I can share the experience with my friends.